Hi there, I'm going to show you how to remove sticker residue from a 100% polyester sweatshirt. My kids got the sticker stuck on here, so I'm going to take it off with 100% acetone nail polish remover. Now I have found that most polyester materials hold residue more than natural, like cotton. So when this happens, this is what I do. I saturate my cotton swab in the acetone, and then if you just work the acetone into the sweatshirt, it literally rubs right off. Then you can see how it leaves a spot on the sweater, but once you wash it, I always wash the clothing object right away to get the acetone out, but you can see I barely used any muscle on this. Easy as can be, 100% acetone nail polish remover and cotton ball is all you need.